Guys, in this makeup tutorial I'm going to do a look using a ton of products from Belk Beauty. This is just one of the many things I'm using. I'm using this, I used this. Like, I sound excited because I'm really excited about this collection. As you can see, I created a very gorgeous makeup look using the products. Like, they have contouring and highlighting products, they have lip products, they have eyeshadow palettes, nail polishes, eyeliners, lip liners, lip glosses, lipsticks. Oh, they just have everything. They have the whole shebang, and I used quite a few products, but very manageable, very simple to achieve. And I'll show you step by step how I created this look so you guys can replicate it at home. And this look is more dramatic. I'm going to be doing a tutorial next week that is a lot more neutral and wearable for work, so no worries. The thing I love about this collection is everything is between $10 and $22. Every single product I use is pigmented. The eyeshadows I use are pigmented, the blushes, well, I only use one blush, but I swatched them. The blush is pigmented, the lip color is pigmented. I'm just so amazed at how amazing these products are at such a low price point compared to most other beauty brands. Another thing I really like is that Belk tested these products to make sure that they would last from morning to night. That is especially important to me because if y'all know me since I've been doing this on YouTube and blogging in general, I don't touch up my makeup. I hate touching up makeup. I don't like touching up my makeup. So having makeup that I put on in the morning lasts through evening, nighttime, that's very important to me. That's even better that these prices are affordable, but the products actually last on you. Minimizing touch-ups. The entire collection was inspired by Belk's Southern roots. As you guys know, or may not know, they are a Southern company, so these colors definitely reflect that. So the goal of that is to give you a nice look with a little bit of color that's not overdone. So yeah, enough of me rambling. Please stay tuned for the look. So you first want to start with the hydrated face. I have a mirror set up right behind the camera, so just leave me looking over you is why. Just use any moisturizer you have and make sure your face is well hydrated before applying any products. I'm gonna take an eyeshadow primer now. This is gonna help your eyeshadow stay on. Move on to eyeshadow. This is going to be very ironic, but you shouldn't be surprised. You guys know I live in Dallas now. So I'm going to use and it has eyeshadows and blush. I think I'm going to do something pretty fun today. I'm going to take this blue. This is going in my crease. And these are so buttery smooth. Look how smooth that glides on. Going back in with the Dallas palette, and I'm going to use this dark plum shade. It's a matte as well, like the previous shade I used. I'm taking a flat brush for this and packing this on my eyelid. Oh, these are so pigmented. I love these. As you can see, I'm tapping the color onto my lid. And move on to the other side. Do that same thing. I'm actually applying on the outer lid. I'm leaving the inner lid bare. I'm kind of going up into the crease. This is one color combination I've never tried, and I love it. Love the way it's turning out. Now, I'm going in with a different palette. I'm taking in the Nude from Belk Beauty. This is a nice neutral palette, nude palette, as it says. Very gorgeous neutrals in here. I didn't even show y'all the color, I just showed y'all the palette. I'm taking this gold right here in the inner lid. And then sweep it over, of course, so you blend it. For brow highlight, I'm going to use the In the Nude palette again and take this color at the top. I'm going back in with that blue. Well, not with the blue. I'm taking the brush that I used for the blue because I don't want to add any more color. I just want to make sure it's blended well together on both sides. And then for the lower lash line, I think I'm going with the purple. Actually no, I'm going to go in with the black and this In the Nude palette. I'm going to take the same brush I used for the plum on my lid because it's already dark. Makes it a lot easier. I'm going underneath my lashes. And I'm stopping halfway. I'm not going all the way in. I'm taking the Belk Beauty brown eyeliner. I Yeah, it has to be. This is in their Line to Perfection pencil eyeliner set. I'm using the brown one for my waterline. And for the tear duct, for the inner corner as well. Get my mirror back, and I'm going to line underneath there. Be very careful. They are a little sharp, but you can soften them up. They're very soft. So I'm actually going to start down here first. Oh, so much pigment. I just blend it into the black. And now I'm going on the waterline. Put a little more on this on OCD. Take the same pencil, actually, and go lightly along the top. This is going to hide any gaps you might have missed with the eyeshadow. It's not really to line the eyes, per se. You want to use the lighter pencil from the Sleek and Sculpted set. It's a contour stick trio from Belk Beauty. Put in a few stripes of that. Just a few. This is going to serve as my concealer. And I'm going to actually mix it with a darker color. I'll use this middle shade. It's the second darkest one. This one. I'm going to put a lot of stripes of this, like that. And by the time you buff them together, it'll look, well, depending on your skin tone, it'll look perfect. I'm now going back to the Dallas palette. I'm going to take this nice bright pink right here as my blush. I'm now taking my Define and Glow highlighter and contour palette and taking a little brush in there and taking this highlighter right here to go above the cheeks. Just lightly, because everything is pigmented. You want to be careful. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. Alright, let's move on. I am going to use for lips. I'm going to go in with, I like all of these colors. Let me just show y'all what it looks like. It's just so many options. I love them. Look. Oh, they're all beautiful. We're going dramatic, so guys, I don't know what to do. Oh, that would be beautiful. I think I'm going to go a little pinky. I'll save them all for my neutral look next week. You have to stay tuned for that. That's coming. To take the lip liner. The good thing about this set is it comes, together, so you know exactly what to use together. You can also mix and match if you want it. You don't have to use them in that order. First, going to go back with my palette because it has a handy dandy mirror. I love these palettes. They all have mirrors, which is so convenient for on the go. And I'm going to line lips. Line lips. I like to go around the outside. I've always done this. And then line the inside as well, because it helps your lip color stay on longer. I'm next going to take the matching corresponding lip color. It doesn't have a name, it's just a gloss. This is going to help the color be more pigmented. Oh yes. This is so beautiful. Love this color. These colors will work on any skin tone, any complexion. These eyeshadows, eyeliners, any of them. That's why I love them so much. That's the complete look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and all the products that I used. These are some really nice products, very pigmented as you can see. I am shocked. Like, I'll be honest, a lot of store branded items I find aren't that great. This line is amazing, and it's amazing price points too. I'm just so surprised. I'll have all the products I use down below, links as well. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I will talk to all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching.